Well, we're here to demonstrate, explain very briefly the rules of the fish game, a game that we have designed for the last year, for a good part of the last year. This game, as it stands now, it's a simple to mid-complexity game about taking fish from a polluted pond to a clear lakes on the edges of the board. And the idea is that each player will have this fish here with special abilities, and he's trying to create a path of rivers to allow his fish from the to come from the center and arrive at the corners of the board. The rules for it today we're explaining the kind of the most advanced version we have of this game, but we already have a more simpler basic version of this to show you as well. It's essentially even the most complex version is very easy to understand. The idea is that each player will take turns trying to take some actions to shape the board and move his fish from the middle of the board to the corner. Each player gets to take 2 actions in his turn, and there are 4 kinds of actions to make. One of the actions is to swap tiles. Tiles are swapped, can only be swapped by adjacent tiles, so I can change this for this, for example. And they must be in orthogonal. I can't swap diagonal tiles. Here on this test we have these wooden pieces to represent our tiles, but we think the game can be easily created with punch boards, carton tiles as well. That's the first action. You swap tiles around. The other action, another action a player can make is to rotate a tile, and he can rotate the tile for many degrees, as many degrees as he wants. You can also substitute a tile, so you have this offer of 2 tiles here, and during the game, if you want, you may delete 1 tile and add this tile here to the game, right? There are some tiles with there are